Hi everyone here. Welcome to Unit 4 Microbit. Now let's learn about JavaScript. To use JavaScript here, when we go on JavaScript here, we delete all. When we delete all like this one have nothing here when we want start here. And then how to use JavaScript. How to use like this. We just write the block here. Here we just go input, one button A, press it, and loops. Here let's learn about repeat 4 times. Repeat 4 times means it's repeat again and again. And then go basic, take show let here. Do like this. When we do like this, and then we button A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When we look at JavaScript, here, we go input, point on button, press it, button A, function, here for let, index, then here, we just when we do like this, Control C, it's gonna not happening. But it is also in block here like this. Okay, bye everyone to listening my video.